Accumulated a good number of reward points on your Standard Chartered credit card? It's time to put them to good use. Redeeming your points can get you cashbacks, vouchers, or even travel. In this guide, I'll show you how to redeem your Standard Chartered reward points easily. The easiest way to redeem your Standard Chartered reward points is through the Standard Chartered 360 Rewards platform or the mobile banking app. Log into either and navigate to the Rewards or Points section associated with your credit card. You'll typically see your current points balance and a catalog of available redemption options. These can range from e-vouchers for various merchants, airline miles, cashback, or even donations. Browse through the options and select what you'd like to redeem. Finally, follow the on-screen instructions to complete your redemption. Confirm the number of points you wish to use and the item you're claiming. The redeemed item, like a voucher or cashback, will then be processed according to the terms. And there you have it. Redeeming your Standard Chartered reward points is simple and rewarding. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.